The graph paper and table tools are often thought of as having similar functions, but they are in fact quite different. A table, which we'll be looking at later on in this course, provides a structured layout that lets you present text, vector objects, or images within a drawing. Because tables are objects, you can manipulate them and format them in various ways. You can also import existing tables from a text file or a spreadsheet. Graph paper, on the other hand, is used for drawing a grid using a set number of rows and columns. A grid is basically a grouped set of rectangles that you can break apart. In the toolbox, click the graph paper tool. Type values in the top and bottom portions of the columns and rows box on the property bar. The value you type in the top portion specifies the number of columns, and the value you type in the bottom specifies the number of rows. Point to where you want the grid to appear. Drag diagonally to draw the grid. If you want to draw the grid from its center point outward, hold down Shift as you drag. Hold down Control as you drag if you want to draw a grid with square cells. A grid is particularly useful for creating a tile design. Holding down the right mouse button, drag an image or vector design over the grid. Release the mouse button and choose Power Clip Inside. This embeds the image in the grid. I'm now going to replace the black cell outlines with white ones, or I could choose to have no outlines at all. To ungroup the grid and create individual tiles, select the grid with the Pick tool and click the Ungroup button on the property bar. You can change the default settings of the graph paper tool to specify the number of rows and columns for new grids. To choose default settings for the graph paper tool, click Tools, Options, Tools. In the left pane of the dialog box that appears, click Graph Paper. Type values in the number of columns and number of rows boxes.